going on, YouTube family? Listen, I know that many of you are probably a part of a number of different Forex groups or communities online, right? And you're probably on YouTube subscribed to dozens of YouTube channels. My question is this: are you still losing in the Forex market? And have you tried the Sodarneasyforex University? If you haven't, come on, follow me.
All right, so as most of you should know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I'm the guy behind the Sodarneasyforex University, also better known as the Forex Goat Online. In fact, go visit www.theforexgoat.com. Now, just as I tell you guys in all of my videos, very grateful and thankful to have you guys here watching yet another video of mine. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, click on that subscribe button at the bottom and make sure you also follow us on social media, because we're on Facebook and Instagram as well. So I thought I would make a special video today for those of you who are either brand new to trading Forex, or you've been trading Forex for some time, or you're on the fence about if you should get started. Now, I know that a lot of you who are within those categories, if you fall into that category, you probably have thought to yourself, well, I don't think Forex is really real. Perhaps you're thinking to yourself that maybe I won't be able to make the type of money to quit my 9-to-5 job. Whatever it may be, whatever thought you may have, I want to tell you guys, it is all possible. You can and you will be successful in trading Forex when you follow a certain discipline. I know that many of you are finding my videos for the first time, and you guys are subscribing and you guys are loving my videos. I've been getting tons of messages from you guys. A lot of you are waiting for more information on my indices membership. I know that. I want to tell you guys something though. Let this video right here serve as what is possible when you say, you know what? I'm going to learn how to trade Forex. I'm going to stop over leveraging my account. I'm going to follow a strict trading plan. I'm going to focus on actually learning how to trade Forex rather than relying on signal services or relying on a trading service that would trade for me. And it's going to start today. Now, I want to tell you guys something. I've made a multi-million-dollar investment in this building right here. You see, I realized a long time ago that real estate was where I wanted to be. And I knew that all I had to do was have the money and capital to have control, or really take control over my destiny, whatever it is that I wanted. And I want to tell you guys my simple plan that have gotten me to this point where I can invest in a multi-million-dollar investment or property. Now, number one, you must create your plan. You have to write it out, write it all out, and think about what happens if something goes wrong. You have to think about all the variables, everything that could happen. Write it out, really think it out. Number two, get started already. A lot of us realize these great opportunities. A lot of us realize and have these great ideas, but we never get started. Now, something that I did when I realized my plan and I saw how I could really grow my money is I told myself, whatever profit that I make, I'm gonna put it aside. I had adopted a financial plan where, yes, I paid myself, but I made sure that I put money away, put money away, put money away. I kept putting money away. And what that has allowed me to be able to do was trade at a much higher volume. That way, instead of one pip being valued at 50 cents, I could trade at one pip could be valued at $15 or $5. But getting to that point, it took a lot of discipline. It really did. Now, you can do the same thing. Let's just say, for instance, you made a $5,000 profit for the day, okay? And you wanted to divvy that money up. You can put 3 away, stash it away, okay? You can take 1, put it inside of your own personal account to play around with, and take the other $1,000 and add it to your trading account, okay? Whatever way you want to break it up, you can do that. And as you continue to make profit in the market, you will notice that your pip value will continue to increase. And where you see me trading at $225 per pip in one direction, after letting them trades run for a couple months at a time, sometimes even less than that, and walking away with tens of thousands of dollars, I do the same thing. And today, having that six-figure account, that's a lot of padding. Now, making $1 million inside of the Forex market has been really life-changing for me. Now, having a plan in place on how I would use those monies to further advance myself is where it really started. Now, I know that a lot of you may think that becoming a millionaire by trading Forex is probably impossible. It's unattainable. It's not something that the average Joe can actually reach or attain. Now, I want to be blunt with you guys. That is so far from the truth. And if you all want to really succeed, you have to get those thoughts out of your head. You have to. And listen, if you have any friends that think that way, lose them. And people naturally want to be in association with people who are just like them. So when you want to protect your energy, you got to get away from certain people. You have to move a different way. Now, one of the main things you all have to remember is if you did it one time, you can do it again. Just like me, when I first got started with Forex, when I put $500 some in the account and I flipped it to like 1,800 after like 30 to 45 minutes with absolutely no knowledge. But think about it. Imagine what can be done with just an ounce of knowledge and you have money to back you. All you have to do is learn how to trade. And let me tell you, becoming a millionaire Forex trader is way within your reach. Now, as I always tell you guys, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay prayed up during these times. All right? Peace, everyone.